Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to perform controlled slides with a Mercedes CLA 250. While not a traditional drift car, you can learn techniques for controlled oversteer. First, it is crucial to understand your vehicle's drivetrain, whether it is front-wheel or all-wheel drive. Always select a large, empty, and private space, like a closed course for any practice. Safety is paramount, so ensure your car is in top mechanical condition before attempting any maneuvers. Before attempting any slides, proper setup is key. Consider slightly overinflating your rear tires by about 5 to 10 pounds per square inch to reduce their grip. Crucially, you must completely disable all electronic stability and traction control systems. These systems are designed to prevent slides and will hinder your efforts. Furthermore, choose a low-friction surface, such as wet pavement or a gravel lot, and always start at very low speeds, perhaps 10 to 15 miles per hour. To initiate a controlled slide, begin by turning the steering wheel into your desired direction. For front-wheel drive models, a brief, firm pull of the handbrake can break rear traction. If you have an all-wheel drive CLA 250, a sudden application of throttle mid-turn can induce power oversteer. As the rear end slides, immediately counter-steer in the opposite direction. Release the handbrake and adjust your throttle input to recover smoothly. Mastering controlled slides requires consistent practice and patience. Begin with very gentle maneuvers, gradually increasing your speed and the aggressiveness of your inputs as your confidence grows. Focus intently on achieving smooth transitions between initiating the slide, counter-steering, and recovering. It is vital to understand both your vehicle's capabilities and your personal driving limits. Regular, safe practice will significantly enhance your control and overall driving skill over time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.